Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a house that is 7 minutes from the town of Maypen and less than 10 minutes from Highway 2000. Maypen Hospital is just 5 minutes away. High schools such as Denby, Glenmuir, Central and Fogar Road High are just 10 minutes away. The property is located in a quiet area with all major utilities available. The property is just over 1 acre of space for backyard gardening, entertaining friends, etc. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 17 million or US $110.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.